Hello children, this is grade 4 block 19 and S4. Topic is chlorination. So here you are going to learn about importance of chlorination in purification of water for a city and town. Right children? Open reader page number 120 and just you read out this paragraph from here to here you read out. And here you can observe the chlorination plant, water purification, sorry, not chlorination plant, water purification plant. In your reader it is there, you can observe very well. So in this one, when we see here, when we see this one, can you see this plant? Yes, you can see very clearly now. Here in this one, what it says, what are the different ways that we can clean water for drinking? Already you have learned water can be purified, isn't it? Water can be purified by sedimentation, decantation, filtration and boiling, isn't it? So here what they will do, municipalities and gram panchayats use other methods to kill germs in water that is supplied to towns. So what other methods have you heard? See, municipalities add chlorine to water. Chlorine kills the germs in water. Chlorine tablets are easily available in medical shops. Okay, so now here we are going to see here, water is first sedimented, then it is filtered, okay, and finally it is chlorinated. So water is chlorinated to make it free, germ free, right children? So now you observe this water plant children. Here water purification plant you can observe very clearly. You can observe very clearly over here. So here this says that water is collected from lakes and rivers. In this one you can see here, in this one, water is collected from lakes and rivers and purified. It is first sedimented in a large tanks, right? Then it is filtered by passing it through materials like sand and charcoal, right? Then chlorine is added to kill the germs, right? This purified water is then supplied to home, right children? So here chlorination has been responsible for greatly reducing waterborne diseases, right? So these diseases were very common before municipalities started using chlorination, right children? So here when you see here now we will see why can't water supplied by municipalities be boiled to kill germs? Why they are adding chlorination? Because see here we can say boiling such a large quantity of water will be a very expensive. That's why chlorination is also much easier to do. That's why they will add the chlorine gas, chlorination powder, chlorine tablets in the filtered water, so that the water will be purified, right children? Now open your reader. We will see what question answers are there. Page number 122 here. Page number 122. In this one, just you go with 7th one. How does chlorination help in purifying water? And water, how is it done? Right children? So here chlorination, like boiling, kills the germs in the water. A substance called chlorine is mixed in water which kills the germs inside it. That answer you have to write. Now we will go with 8th one. Why should we carry chlorine tablets if we go for camping? So chlorine tablets are used to purify water. While camping we will need to purify water, right, that we drink. So we will need to take water from wells, streams or ponds that we find. So we have to carry the tablets, right? Now see the workbook children. In the workbook what it is there, page number 18. In this 18, read out this matter what they have given for you. Water purification for a city to town they have given you. Here the process also they have given you, how the process, everything they have given you. Now you see the first one. Describe the steps used to purify water for a town or city. So what they will do, the water is first purified by sedimentation. It is then passed through various materials to filter it and then it is chlorinated. Now here draw a bar graph showing the reduction in typhoid fever in the US because of chlorination. Explain the effect of chlorination. So here what you have to do, here just you read out this one. Read this paragraph and draw the graph. Okay. About the chlorination reduces waterborne disease to a large extent. So after using the, before using the chlorination tablets, how the graph was, and after using the chlorination tablets, how the graph is in where it is in US, that graph you have to draw. Okay. So now we will go with question number 3. Municipalities sometimes ask people to boil water supplied by them. Why? So municipalities ask people to boil water before drinking because sometimes the water purification process do not work properly. Yes, sometimes pipes will leak, sometimes pipes will break, isn't it? So all dirty water also will enter into that one. So that's why the people will, they will say to, it's better to boil the water and drink. So whatever the work I have given for you, do the given work neatly and correctly. Thank you, children.